Hi guys, welcome to Creative Quarantine Challenge. So I am Roopika and this is Haima. No, wait. You're Roopika and I'm Haima.
Okay, so today's topic is, can you think critically?
Can you? You know, Roopika, everyone is dying because of coronavirus. Each and every individual is dying because of coronavirus. Do you know that?
No, it can't be true. It's just because even in China, some people are, getting recovered.
No, it's not true.
Where did you hear this news?
In WhatsApp.
You can't believe the rumors in WhatsApp. They're all just forwards, okay? Only the ones who have low immune system die because of corona. So before believing all these rumors, think sometime.
Okay, fine. Yes, I'm wrong. So please think critically and then forward messages that are true. Don't forward messages that are rumors, please. So activity 1 is called as fill in the gap.
So I have a picture for you. Can you identify it? So I'll give you 3 clues. So he's a politician. He's the head of the country, and he just gave a recent speech about the coronavirus. You would have heard it.
There was a recent speech. Oh, I think it's Narendra Modi.
Yeah, you're right.
Okay. So likewise, you analyze the clues and you understand the clues and then you answer. That is called as critical thinking. So you can do this with your parents or
Write it down on the paper and send it to us.
write down the clues and the personality and send it to us. So activity 2 is called as debate mode. So shall we have a debate?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm giving you 2 topics, classroom learning and online learning.
So I pick classroom learning.
I pick online learning. Okay, online learning, you learn and then you share or implement it.
But in the classroom learning, you learn it in a shared way with all your friends and classmates.
When you have a doubt in online learning, but you have to clarify it on your own.
Yeah, but in classroom learning, you have an elder or a teacher who clarifies all your doubts at the perfect moment. So I think that's better.
Yeah, right. So debating increases your critical skills.
You can have a debate with your family members and your friends. And you can even take a 30-second video of it and send it to us. For more debate topics, check
the link description below.
So the activity 3 is mind map.
So how mind map works are there in the description below. So mind map is like a tool that helps you understand a particular topic and gives you more clarity about it.
Mind maps increases your critical thinking skills, and there are many mind map topics in the link description below.
So we have taken a mind map of coronavirus. This is a mind map. Likewise, you can send this mind map to us. So activity 4 is called
building up a silent conversation.
So how this works is you take a blank sheet of paper and post the topic on it.
And then you form a group within your family or with your friends.
Then each person writes their suggestion about the topic. They should not discuss about it. Then at last,
you can all discuss it openly.
Once you're done,
you can take a picture of your own conversation and send it to us. So the activity 5 is child rights.
So do you know what is child rights?
No.
So the United Nations has created a convention on the rights of a child. So there are totally 42 rights. So we're going to name 3 of them. No discrimination,
identity,
and respect the views of a child.
There are totally 42 rights which are given in the link description below. You can take out a few and have a discussion among your family. You can even check out whether all these rights are followed in your school, community, or in your neighborhood. You can even take a picture or a video of it and send it to us. The activity document is there in the link description below. You can download it.
And if you want to participate in this activity, you can send I am ready to this WhatsApp number.
And stay tuned to this channel
for more episodes coming up. Bye.